Hey guys, it's Sherry. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this hair dryer for you guys. This hair dryer is by Karmin Professionals, and this is the Salon Series Professional Hair Dryer. So this was sent out to me by Karmin Professionals, and I'm really excited to open this up because this literally came at the perfect time. And I'm not just saying that. I've had my hair dryer for over 10 years, I think, and it is completely or almost dying out on me, and it was about time that I got a new hair dryer, so I'm really excited about this one. I have my own Professional Series hair dryer, and I never ever had one before. This one over here by Karmin Professionals is a limited edition, and again, this is the Salon Series Professional Hair Dryer. I mean, the box itself is really pretty. Like, look at the design. It's so fancy. So let's open this box up and share with you guys what this wonderful hair dryer looks like. So here we have the hair dryer, and it just comes with these little inserts, and this one, I guess it's just a product registration. And if you want warranty, you can use that number to register your warranty. I will go over with you guys how much this hair dryer costs as well. These are just instructions on how to care for your hair dryer. So with that, so here is the hair dryer inside the box. It also comes with this diffuser attachment, which is good for curly and wavy hairstyles. And it comes with this little nozzle here. This is the ionic tourmaline concentrator attachment for precise airflow. So I just kind of want to take this out and see how it feels like. It says that it's really lightweight. It is actually lightweight. Pretending that I'm blow drying my hair. So this is the hair dryer right out of the box. I have to say that it really looks professional. I've never had anything this professional, I guess. So this is the attachment for the diffuser for curly hair, curly or wavy hair, and then it also comes with this one here, which I mentioned, for precise airflow. If I could even get this in. And then at the back here, you just kind of have the settings on how to turn it on and off. The thing I like about hair dryers is that it does have that cooling button here, so if you don't want your hair dryer to blow out such hot air, you have that. It also has these negative and positive ion buttons here. So the negative and positive ion switch allows you to choose between negative or positive ions, making this the perfect dryers for all hair types in all climates. So let me share with you guys a little bit more information about this hair dryer and what is different about it than other hair dryers. So this Karmin Professional hair dryer is specifically designed to prevent damage and dry out of the hair. The Karmin Salon Series hair dryer also features an electronic ion generator, which works to generate over 300 million negative ions, reducing drying time by 70% while adding a brilliant shine and leaving hair feeling smooth and soft. Which I think is pretty interesting because my hair takes such a long time to dry. Considering that my hair is very thin and very fine, it does take a long time for it to dry. Maybe because my hair is just severely color treated, that all the product that I've had in there kind of reduces or kind of like adds on the drying time, like it takes forever. I'm excited to see if this will actually speed up the process for me drying my hair. And there are also many more features that come with this hair dryer, and if you guys want to read on about it, I will leave the link to their website down below, and you can check out the product yourself and read a little bit more about it. So I'm just kind of like letting you guys know just the basic information about this hair dryer. I definitely would recommend this hair dryer if you are a professional hairstylist, because I know in the industry hairstylists like to invest in good products. Just by looking at it and just reading some of the reviews that were on the website, it does seem like a really good hair dryer. On the website, this hair dryer actually retails for $229.95, and it does also have free shipping, which is also great. So this actually is on sale. The regular price of this hair dryer was originally $289, and like I said, it's on sale now for $229. So I guess as a professional hairstylist, not me particularly because I'm not a professional hairstylist, but for anybody else there who are professionals, I guess this is like the price range that they would be spending the money on for hair dryers, because you know you want to have good products for your clients. So if you guys are out there looking for a good professional hair dryer, I would definitely say take the time to check this out and see if this is something that will work for you guys. Again, I will have their website in my description down below so you can check it out, and I also will provide you guys a coupon code so that you guys can save a little bit of money on there too, because who doesn't like saving money? That is about it. I just wanted to share with you guys this hair dryer. So I'm gonna put this to the test. After this video, I'm probably gonna go wash my hair and then blow dry it to see if it will actually speed up the drying process. Again, I want to say thank you to Karmin Professionals for sending me this hair dryer to test out. And with that, make sure to stick around for my other videos, because I will definitely be using this in some styling techniques. Before I go, don't forget to check me out on social media. I will have everything in my description box down below. And also check out Karmin Professionals. I will also leave their social media down there as well to check them out as well. Give them a follow. I do already have one of their styling tools, which is the hair straightener, and I use it like almost every day, or when I do need to straighten my hair, and I use it and I love it. It goes on my hair so smoothly, so I do highly recommend checking out Karmin Professionals. And again, coupon code, you guys can use my coupon code SherryUnlevel to save you guys 10% off of your purchase. Other than that, that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.